Honest business opportunities review. Finally, an honest way to make money online. Tired of business opportunities that do not deliver what they promise? We have reviewed the top-selling programs on the internet today. Below, on the description of this video, you will find a link to reviews of the top 3 opportunities that actually work. The key to making money online is knowing how and where to start. Without the right starting point, you will waste precious time and a ton of money. The following products guarantee your online success. All you have to do is read them and follow their expert advice. All programs provide a 100% money-back guarantee, require little or no experience, offer a step-by-step guide, and use proven strategies that will make you money. These programs are simple to use, have a small investment price, and you are able to see results usually on the first day. Now you won't make millions overnight as some programs promise, but you will build a nice part-time income that can certainly help with the bills. Everyone I know wouldn't say no to an extra $500 plus bucks a month. You might even consider using all the suggested programs and over time replace your existing income. That's what I did, and Lord knows I'm no guru. Actually, I am a journeyman carpenter from Canada that just wanted a nice online hobby business. I wasn't expecting great things, just some extra cash, some fun money. Now, these programs have really taken off. I spend more time with my family and playing in my shop. I never expected this business to explode for me. Check out the video description for my new number 1 pick. This one has rated the number 1 opportunity for making money online. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.